Here's how I make a knife blade. I load my pre-cut steel onto my Pearson pallet, place that in my Haas mini mill, and then drill out and bore all the holes. I then chamfer and remount all the holes manually to get them to the right size. I surface grind the blades nice and smooth and then buff them a little bit more by hand to get out any inconsistencies. I load my prep bars onto the next pallet and place them in my mill for Ops 2. The mill pre-drills the jimping and then cuts the profiles. Now I remove the excess cuts to keep the work area clear and start the next program. The mill cuts out all the features, machines the bevels, and rounds all the edges. I then flip all the knives to the opposite side, place the pallet back in the mill, and run the final operations. I take the machine blades out of the mill and clean everything off by hand. At this point, the knife's ready for heat treat. I send my blades out for professional heat treat, and 2 weeks later they come back looking like this. Now I laser engrave my logos and hand sand them clean. I sandblast the blades clean and then either send them out to Cerakote or toss them in the tumbler. I screw the blade into the blade cradle and then sharpen at 120, 400, 800 grit and strop it.